Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to regain back coils after ventilating your kinky coils, PC coils, baby coils, anything that have to do with coils. I'll be showing you how to regain back those coils after ventilating. You know, ventilating is another process, right? That you go through stress. Those hairs go through stress, ventilating them one after the other. So you don't expect it to come back the way it was. Today I'll be showing you all you need to do whenever you want to regain back coils after ventilating your closure, whatever length, frontal, closure, full lace. Just take this simple step and you'll be able to regain back coils after ventilating. So this is my ventilated 5x6 closure and I'm removing it from the canvas head. After taking it off the canvas head, the next thing I did was to use my hand to detangle the hair. So this particular closure I am working on is not a PC coil, it's not a baby coil, it's a kinky coil. Understand? It's a kinky coil closure. So I ventilated it for myself. So this closure is looking short. The reason why it's looking short because it has gone through the ventilating process, and whenever you finish ventilating your closure, you have not regained back its coils, or you have not worked on it, you don't expect it to be looking long. So watch this video carefully and see how I will transform this closure to the final look. So all you need to do is to get your bowl of water, not too much, add your Himalaya Sake conditioning milk, and also you add in your argan oil into the water. When you add it up, what you need to do is to stir it very well. After stirring it, you can go ahead to use your hands to make sure that you detangle it. When I mean by detangle it, just use your hand to as if you want to like stretch the closure, not dragging it. Just gently stretch the closure to soak it into the water. You are not going to spray water on it, you are soaking it into the bucket of the 3 mist conditioner. The reason why you are doing that is so that water will go through the closure perfectly well, so that if you want to detangle it, you make sure the closure itself have gotten a whole lot of water, not just the water that is going there. Don't forget that this water is mixed with different conditioner. After you must have done that, you use your hand to stretch the closure, like you are moisturizing the closure. You are using your hand to like detangle the closure. You can now use your conditioning milk to apply on it. After using a conditioning milk to apply on it, you stretch it as usual. Then you use your Mega Growth. This Mega Growth is another thing that is very essential in regaining back coils. The other good product, the reason I'm using this product because I'm trying to work on budget. Yes, let me just let you know that you can also regain coils without breaking your bank account to get this expensive coils maintaining product. So that's why I use this major product. These things are not expensive. All these combo are not up to 15,000 naira. Yes, all this combo, all of them are not up to 15,000. Just your Mega Growth sachet and your conditioning milk, just the both of them, they are not up to 5,000 naira. You understand? So by the time you finish applying this, you use your comb to detangle it. Make sure you detangle it to remove the excess that is not needed. You detangle it very well from the tips to the top, from the top to the tip. That is what you will do. After doing that, you can go ahead and use your tail comb to comb it from the closure side, like making sure that your closure line is clean. Comb it from the top to the down. Look how it's going freely, means that it has absorbed the conditioner very well. Just look how this closure is looking, very silky. The coils have gone back to the usual way it was. So guys, this is the final look of this closure. I hope you love it. I hope this tutorial will help you to gain what you want. Don't forget to like, share, comment, ask questions where you are confused. Thank you and bye for now.
From roots to tips, we care with love. You're not alone, you're rising above each tutorial. A piece of art, stay with me. It's just the start.